ever seen a turtle eat? It's freaking crazy. I had a turtle.
Turtles don't eat like that.
And they throw it up and then they eat it. I'm like, and I'm like, oh, he's throwing up. Get him a glass of water. And I'm like, get him a glass of water. And then he'd be like this.
You're talking about a turtle.
That turtle knows how to party, huh?
And I'm like, dude, you're crazy. What are you doing? Like a bunch of turtles or what?
You got like a
Munching turtles.
And
What?
then I figured out he's not a turtle, he's a tortoise.
It means the same thing.
Then I'm like,
pretty sure.
get this. No, tortoises don't eat a lot of water.
Tell them the ketchup song.
They don't eat water, they drink water, first of all.
Yeah. And then I'm like, we gotta switch you from water to pears.
Why would he eat pears?
Well, because, duh.
I'm sorry, I'm dumb.
Tortoises eat pears. Turtles eat water.
Well, duh.
Bananas. There's a big difference.
Oh my god.
It's all fun and games. So you
Until someone gets an eye poked out.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I mean,
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
The eye. You brought up the
Oh,
eye.
that's an uncle.
You're crossing the line now.
Is that true?
No, not really. He had polka dots, though.
Polka dot eye.
Polka dot eyes.
Something like that.
poke the dot.
He might have been in the army.
JR's got a polka dot eye.
Jared got a big
Poke that
forehead.
dot.
What? Why would you say that?
Doesn't he?
Pokey dot.
Why would you say he's got a big forehead?
He looked like an alien in that picture.
I don't think I have a big forehead.
That's not true.
Hey,
why is Jake hating on me?
Your cousin's hating on you, man.
I love him.
Dude, because you jizzed on him.
Turkey jizz. That wasn't JR's
He
turkey jizz.
thinks that I jizzed on him, but
she told me you jizzed on me.
Who? Her?
Yes.
Me?
Yeah.
What?
You don't have to play like you didn't tell me.
Yeah, I have special
She's
fucking
so
Special
jizz
sauce,
that
lettuce,
came out of
cheese.
my fucking cock on your fan. On your
Why
hand.
would it be on my fan?
He says fan.
How?
I meant hand.
You mean
If
my
you
hand?
think my fucking jizz smells like that, then I'll take some.
Whoa.
Hey, your server
I
wants some of
jizz my
that.
Dude,
face
keep
every
it in
day.
the family.
Your server wants
You
that.
make every day.
Oh my
Dude,
god.
my hair was I bottle it, and then I'm like,
You bottle your own jizz.
Dude, why'd you put like lip gloss on it? You put lip gloss.
It goes
on your
longer.
cock.
my cock.
Yes, man. And then you like put it on your cousin.
That's gross, dude.
What he does.
Kissing cousins. I knew it. Kissing cousins.
You're wiping your.
Do you even remember?
You dipped your cock on the lip gloss and you were like put it on your
I
cousin.
I don't
my
think you
cock.
really jizzed on me. You just squirt on me.
Shame, porque. Porque, side of eggs.
Side of
I,
eggs. Let's get
if I
we're talking
put it
about
on
steak
your
actually.
hand,
Side of eggs.